Types of natural selection. According to Darwinism, natural selection is the main force behind the origin of species. Natural selection operates through differential reproduction of organisms provided with favorable variations. There are different categories of natural selection. In order to discuss this, let us consider a human population represented based on height. The graph shows the distribution of the original population. It is obtained by plotting the height against the frequency of individuals. The first category of natural selection is stabilizing selection, or otherwise called normalizing selection. In stabilizing selection, the environmental factors are favorable for individuals with average height. So their number will show a dominance. Or in other words, stabilizing selection favors organisms provided with average characteristics. The second category is directional selection. In directional selection, the environment is favorable for a particular category of the population only. Here, in the example of human population based on height, the individuals with a short height are favored. In this type of selection, there is a shift from average values of the characteristics to a certain extreme. Then the third category is disruptive selection. In disruptive selection, the organisms with the extreme characteristics are selected and the mean population is eliminated. Based on the previously mentioned example of human population of height, tall individuals and short individuals are selected and the individuals with the average height are eliminated. So, in summary, stabilizing selection favors individuals provided with mean characteristics of the population. Then directional selection favors only a certain type of the population. Then final category, disruptive selection favors individuals provided with extreme characteristics of the population.